Hi darlings and sardines, we are in Lisbon with my bestie again. It's another day, there will be again rain but later. And
4 hours.
yes, so we have some time to walk to the sunny Lisbon, it's so pretty. Old people are out before the rain starts. And we're going to see the Botanical Garden and one museum today. We almost arrived and we took cider because it's still so sunny. Oh my god. And we know later it will be apocalypse, so we need to enjoy the sun. Guys, we came here but it's closed for security reasons. Risk of falling trees. Because of this storm, maybe. Oh, it looks so cool.
Till 9th, till you're there.
Yeah, and I'm leaving on 9th. And this is exactly the time I'm here,
okay?
from 4th to 9th.
Yes.
Such a bad luck. At least we saw the park with birds. Now we're gonna walk to this other museum. From here is 60 minutes.
On our way to the museum, we stopped to try the best pastel de nata. It is here in Aloma and it won the title of the best pastel de nata a year ago.
5 times in a row. Not in a row, but 5 times. Wow, let's try. It's more sweet.
I don't see any differences. Maybe that one's more crunchy, but
The one from Belém is best because it's more baked. I like when it's so baked.
and there is less filling, right?
Yeah.
And we found the museum.
Today is Sunday and it has free entry starting from 2 o'clock. We escaped rain. We're gonna be first in line to enter. But Gulbenkian Museum is closed for renovation until July 26. But this is CAM Museum and it is open. I accidentally ended up on a very beautiful metro stop. I think it is called Olaish.
A stormy evening brought us to a moody Midnight Espresso, a perfect place for tea, cocktails, and jazz nights. Here you can order an afternoon tea with savories, scones, and sweets all served beautifully, and enjoy it in an atmospheric setting of this beautiful cafe. Well, at least we really enjoyed it.